Hi guys! So, I'm here sa NAIA Terminal 1 and it's finally the day that we're flying to the Netherlands. The long-awaited flight of my life. Charot. Okay, so I'm restless at the moment but I am also very excited. Worried ako sa likod ko lang talaga kasi super tagal ng flight but let's see how it goes. Come with me! Compared sa Terminal 3, ito ngayon ang sitwasyon ng Terminal 1. And then, ako naman, as of the moment, nandito lang sa gitna. Kasi nag-check ako, the moment na mag-open yung second counter ko, I'll immediately go ahead. Para lang muna. And my flight, or my plane, departs at 2 a.m. But syempre, hindi tayo pa rin malate sa flight, so I'm already here by 10:30. Yeah, so and hinintay ko lang mag-open yung check-in counter. And then, yeah, we'll see. After how many years, finally nakalagpas na ako sa immigration and security. Nakalokot ang daming tinanong. Oh my god. I thought na madali lang siya kasi I have a visa na, but I'm wrong. I'll kwento it a little later. So ngayon, gutom muna ako at maghanap tayo ng foods. See ya! Touchdown, China, layover. We'll have 7 hours here and then sa Netherlands. So, ang lawak ng Shanghai Pudong Airport. I can teleport the train ako! Let's stop the one. Yep.
旅客们，欢迎来到上海机场，上海行客。
Malapit na! Pero pagod na ako. Share muna tayo. I saw my gate na. Pero mamaya pa naman yung departure ko. So, like 7 hours from now. Maybe 6. Let's go to the toilet first. Gotta pee. I'm so tired na ba. I'm so restless. But this year maganda. Ay, ang entry late. Okay, take off once more. Since I have so much time to spare at pala naman ako magawa dahil matagal pa yung boarding ko, I'll now make the story time for the immigration. So, yung questions na inask sa akin was like, I mean, unexpected ko na, but I did not really think or like thought na even with visa, ganun pa rin kadami yung itatanong nilang questions. Thankfully talaga is prepared ako ng lahat ng documents na I needed, even though I did not really print it out na. So I just showed them or her the soft copy of everything that she asked for. Okay, now, so for the documents that I prepared, it was just basically the documents that I prepared and submitted for the visa application kasi pretty much almost the same lang din naman yung hanapin sa akin, which is a good thing, but hindi ko na lang siya printed lahat kasi ang dami-dami natin, nasa 81 pages. Additionally lang, na documents that I asked na wala sa visa application for my partner was the affidavit of support kasi yun is for immigration purposes talaga, and then yung formal letter of obligation is for visa purposes. Thankfully, nakuha namin siya on time kasi actually kumuha yung partner ko niyan medyo late na, and delivery niya pala is at least 2 to 3 days. Dumating siya ng Tuesday, so thankfully naman kasi pinaplano na lang namin sana is if hindi siya ma-deliver on time, resibo na lang daw yung papakita namin, which is totally won't be helpful naman, but yes, kasi imagine if hindi ko yun na, or hindi namin na-receive on time, at tapos hiningi sa akin kanina, ang dami-dami na talagang tanong kasi nga I'm sponsored, so that's really the most important document that I needed from him. Ewan ko na lang talaga din, baka wala ako dito ngayon sa China. So, ayun. For the questions, I think lang na may mga unnecessary questions doon na hindi naman na talaga related, but I get na they are just like thoroughly checking everything to make sure na hindi ako mag-TNT and babalik ako sa Pilipinas. So first is, saan ako pupunta? Anong purpose of travel? Return ticket? Bakit daw ako nag-resign sa previous job? saan ako nagtatrabaho ngayon, hiningan ako ng COE, ng company ID, tinanong kung meron akong debit or credit card, kung in-invite daw ba ako, then hiningan ako ng invitation letter. Tapos, maya-maya, sabi ko, meron pa akong affidavit of support din kasi tinanong ako niya if sponsor daw ba. Sabi ko, ayun na, binigay ko na yung paper. Tapos sabi niya, bakit mo pa ako pinasa-isa, ma'am? Meron ka naman pala nito. Sabi ko, kasi ate, hindi mo naman ko nahingi. Ay, ma'am, hindi mo naman pala hingi. But anyway, after that, marami pa rin siya actually tinanong. Parang may pagdududa siya dun sa yung affidavit of support. Kasi picture lang siya sa akin sila ng partner ko. And then, ang ginawa ko is in-scan ko siya and then I printed it out. Tay, gusto niya pa talagang makita yung conversation namin kung sila niya through photo, which is confident naman ako na talaga naman. By the way, yung sa photo na pinakita ko namin na together, parang nagtanong siya yan. Tapos hiningan niya ako ng passport niya, which is meron naman akong copy kasi nga na nag-apply ng visa. And then, nag-scroll siya sa gallery ng pictures namin sa phone ko. Sabi niya, so nagta-travel po kayo, ma'am. Sabi ko, yes po. Tapos tinanong niya, saan kayo galing? Kasi yung pinag-invite ko saan kami pumunta. And then, basta madami, hindi ko na maalala yung mga questions. But, overall yung experience ko is, hindi naman ako actually kinabahan kasi I'm confident naman. Sagot ko. I also have the documents na I knew they will ask. I'm one step ahead always. So, ayun, wala naman siya nagawa kundi tataka na lang ako kasi wala talaga siyang mahanap na butas. Kasi, yun na lang yung sabi niya is mag-iingat ka dun po, ma'am. Tapos, all good, I'm here. China. See you soon, Netherlands. Amsterdam! First impression, napakalamig! It's currently 10 Celsius. Sabi ganyan sa plane, but I'm not sure now kung matas ko mismo. Sana lang hindi masyadong magamit ako sa passport control and immigration. Basta kasi baggage claims ko, napaganda naman ako kayo. Like, super tagal na lang hinintay natin. But, see ya! Sandali. Okay. How long have you been here? Train station. We might not feel the cold. Do you not have gloves?
Wanna go outside?
Which station are we?
Utrecht Central.
What time?
7:45.